GunSkinny coming at you live from the road. I've been driving for about 30 minutes now. I'm going to Walmart, way out in Simi Valley, which is like 45-minute drive from my house. Reason being is they have cheap ammo right now, and it's the only Walmart in in my area that sells ammo. So I had to call them. They didn't really know what was going on, and sorry for the noise. The windows are open. It's a beautiful day today. I just figured I'd give you some of the view here, and it's nice. It's nice out this way. A lot of mountains. You can't really. There we go. But so that's about it. I'm gonna head up here. I might go to the range today. I don't know. It depends on how beat I am coming back from this trip. But if I do, I'll take you there. That's about it. So I will check back with you later. Alright, we got 9.6 miles left, about 14 minutes. God, it's too far to drive, man. I know it's not that far, but just for ammo, I mean, come on. Alright guys, check back with you. Oh, here's a nice little view. It's nice out here, broskies. Maybe I'll just carry you through this little valley, little hills right here. It's nice. Alright guys, check back with you in a minute. Maybe. Later. What's up guys? I'm leaving, as Marbles would call it, China Mart. Picked up 250 rounds of Federal 9mm, 115 grain FMJs, and I think I'm gonna head to the range today. It's just been a rough week, so I'll blow off some stress. So I'll see you guys there. Alright, it's gonna be a little bit of a hike, so we got about a half-hour drive in front of us. So I'll catch up with you guys in a minute.
Trying to be the shit. The entertainer ain't trying cause he already is.
Just a little grooving music. You guys know about J5. Almost at the range. I feel like I've been in the car for hours and hours and hours. We're almost there, so. Oh, it's my exit. Alright guys, later. First. Federal. Alright, so I'm done from the range, and it was fun. It's really hot in there today. The cool thing about the target range in Van Nuys is, I guess about a week ago, they just got their FFL and everything. They don't have a big selection right now, but they will. So if you guys are local to like Southern California, Los Angeles area, it's gonna get a little loud here, but preferably the Van Nuys area, North Hollywood, something like that. They're selling guns now, and their prices are not that bad. So, like I said, they don't have a wide selection right now. I'll put up their info below on the description. You guys can check it out. But yeah, so they're selling guns. It's pretty cool because I hate going to Turner's, and this place is nice and small, so like you don't have to wait in line for forever or whatever. So yeah, pretty cool. So you guys check it out. Shooting was fun. I'm gonna get home and clean her up, and maybe I'll film some of that. I haven't done a really good cleaning video, so some of my pads, clean it up. So, all right, guys, I'm signing out for now, and I will be back at the house with you in a minute. Well, it'll be longer for me, but it'll be quicker for you. All right, buddy. Buddy? All right, buddy. I'm out of it, man. I hate driving past big trucks. Oh, God. All right, later.